First Alert Weather.
Overall, it's going to be a busy week in ways you might not think as far as the weather goes. River flooding risk is still present after that rain yesterday. We do have fire danger throughout this week, and we are expecting near record heat as well. Currently, we are still seeing fog throughout the area, as you can see from our Midland exterior sky cam in downtown Topeka. Fog over those buildings, and you can see the fog in downtown Emporia as well. And then visibility just drops off in Manhattan, as you can't even see Bill Snyder Family Stadium, which is usually off in the distance with the parking lot just to its left. And from Concordia, usually you can see the parking lot. You're starting to be able to see a little bit of the parking lot in the field out there as the fog begins to burn off, but the visibility is just poor right now. It will start to get better as we go throughout this morning into this afternoon because of those temperatures that will be rising. We do have a dense fog advisory until around 9 or 10 a.m. this morning, depending on where you are in the area. We also do have flood warnings to our south in Emporia for the Cottonwood River until around 12:40 p.m. tomorrow. And then for the Neosho River, we do have that warning until around tomorrow at 2:24 p.m. So those warnings have been adjusted a little bit as far as the need for those warnings go. Prairie Band Casino and Resort live storm tracker currently showing that fog and some cloud cover in the 30s and 40s overall. 24-hour temperature change, we are between around 5 and 15 degrees cooler than at this time yesterday, and the fog is helping that out a little bit as well. Today's forecast overall, we will be in the 60s, mid-60s overall around the area with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, we will be partly cloudy as well in the 40s. And then as we go into tomorrow around northeastern Kansas, 60s and 70s with partly cloudy skies, increasing cloud cover as we go throughout the day. As we go throughout the first part of the week, we will see that fire risk really start to increase going into Tuesday, seeing numbers of 7 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10. That means we will see an elevated fire risk from our fire weather index as we go throughout Tuesday into Wednesday and maybe even into Thursday. And part of that is the dryness of the ground. Even with that rain, we have that dry vegetation that has been dormant for the winter. We also have those winds that will be very gusty, and we have low humidity values and high temperatures for this time of year. So we will see those wind gusts get between around 20 and 50 miles per hour going throughout the middle part of the week, changing directions as far as our wind directions go, leveling off at times, but then our winds will turn to the south from the north as we go into Thursday and Friday, and that could cause a more concern as far as our conditions go. We could also see some potential for precipitation as we go into the Friday and Saturday timeframe. I wanted to address that elephant in the room because there may be questions. It is a slim chance right now, though, but before that, we are expecting really above average temperatures near records for Monday through Wednesday for President's Day, Mardi Gras, and Ash Wednesday.